doorbell camera captured the moment. A man walked into the backyard and did this weird thing.
Boogity, boogity. I come to boogity. I come to boogity.
Come to what?
I come to boogity. Ooh! Hey. Come to boogity. Boogity, boogie, boogie, boogie.
I think he's trying to climb in through the doggy door.
Ooh, you.
A few moments later.
Hey, boogie. A boogie.
What is Boogie?
Boogie. Boogie, boogie.
I guess there will be a baby named Boogie born.
Boogie. Oh, ooh.
Oh,
Shit.
his friends have arrived.
Boogie. Oh, shit, Boogie. Boogie. Hi. Boogie. Ah, shit, sir. Shit. Boogie. Ah, shit, Boogie. Ah. Oh, Boogie.
Sorry,
Ow.
he's busy making a baby.
Shit, Boogie. Sir. Oh, Boogie. Oh, bitch. Oh, you bitch ass nigga. Oh. Oh. Sir. Oh, ah. Oh. Shit, motherfucker. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh, shit. Oh, I did. Oh. Oh, you motherfucker. Ah. Oh. Oh. Hey, hey, man. Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off me. Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh. You alright? Oh. Hey, hey, man.
Out to the police department. You good?
Man, oh shit! Man, get this motherfucker off me, man!
Who's on you?
Huh?